I made a trip to IKEA today. First stop was kitchen things. Love all their supply of kitchen things. As far as the eye can see. More kitchen things. Utensils, gadgets, bakeware. So many textiles, so little time. It was fun to walk through here. And pillows, and more pillows. Pillows galore. Beautiful, colorful pillows. A mountain of pillows. I love these wooden bathroom accessories. I think they look rustic and farmhouse-ish. It's kind of fun to look at them. I think they're bamboo. I love these nestled baskets. I thought they were so pretty. I also like these plastic containers, and come to find out, they nestled in the bamboo drawers, which made them really look cool. This bathroom towel rack chair is fantastic. Love this piece. Lots of nice hampers. This one appeals to me. This is what I came for. One of the things I came for. I have been turning the storage in my craft room into more organized space with these containers. They come in all sizes. They all have lids, and they nestle together, like you can stack them on top of each other. It's fantastic. And I just use a label maker and make labels for them in my craft room, and I love how they look. So I need more, and I've come to get them. I love the lighting section. It's entertaining just to walk through here. Beautiful, unique lighting. Again, as far as the eye can see, beautiful lighting. They have several rows of picture frames that I enjoy looking at. I think they're very affordable. Many of them are very unique looking. Now I'm in the floral section, and they have different dishes that hold flowers and vases and things you can look through, and it's really a lot of fun to look through this. I need some greenery, so that's one reason I spent some time in this section. And the florals are really magnificent. Just beautiful. All the greenery, you can pick from a wide variety. I got some of these. And then I'm in the warehouse walking through. I'm finished with my shopping and I'm gonna go pay. So this is everything I got, my haul. I'm home now. So let me show you what I got here. I got some greenery, 3 stems, they're rather large, that I will use. I got a spray bottle I need for the garden. I got some thin spatulas. I got a little pot to hold this plant. And I got some cork trivets. So that's my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming along.